When it comes time to get a new website, a lot of shop owners are left with this question. What truly makes a great auto repair shop website? That's what I'm going to answer for you in this video. My name is Brian Walker and I'm the owner at Shop Marketing Pros, where we do top-tier marketing for top-tier shops. We've built a few websites around here, and we built the award-winning Iowa City Tire website, ictire.com, which was the winner of the Best Website Award at Vision 2023. We have a handful of websites competing for that award in 2024. Here are the things I look for when evaluating an auto repair shop website. Number one, does it look good on mobile devices? When we look at the analytics of our clients' websites, we see that around 80% of all traffic comes from mobile devices. Your website needs to display nicely on mobile and give the user the most important information at their fingertips without them having to search around the website for it. Number two, the shop's address, phone number, and book an appointment button need to be at the top of every page. No matter where a person lands on your website, always give them those three pieces of information. Number three, clear calls to action tell the visitor exactly what they need to do to make an appointment or schedule service at your auto repair shop. But many auto repair shops have no calls to action at all. They're just online brochures. This is one of the easiest ways to increase conversions on your website is to have clear calls to action. Number four, online scheduling using a system like AutoOps or your CRM makes it super easy for people to schedule actual appointments based on open slots in your schedule. And they can do this after hours when they couldn't do it otherwise. Five, you need to have client-focused messaging. The text, images, and videos should tell a story that the website visitor can see themselves in. Instead of telling the reader how great your shop is, focus on how you'll solve their problem. Six, the images on your website need to be real images of your real shop, your real team, your real clients, and their real cars. This is real important. Number seven, in 2024, people want to see videos. Video is their favorite way of consuming information. From a video, they can determine if they know, like, and trust you and your team. Not having videos on your website, it's purposefully choosing to lose money. Number eight, you need to tell people what you work on. If you're a generalist shop, you can get away with telling them that you work on all makes and models. But if you're a specialty shop, you need to be detailed about what vehicles you work on. Number nine, social proof is one of the primary things people look for. Your obvious social proof is your reviews, and you need to have them on your website. But other social proof includes memberships to industry associations, your local chamber of commerce, and even community involvement. Number 10, financing information can help people who need large repairs decide to use your shop before they even bring their car in. This could be a major consideration for some people. Having this information front and center keeps them from having to ask about it, which could be embarrassing for some people. Number 11, early bird drop-off information and the ability to fill out an early bird form on your website can make it easier for people to do business with you when they're unable to make it into your shop during normal business hours. The online early bird drop-off form is especially convenient in inclement weather. Number 12, this is one of my wife's pet peeves. Make sure the phone numbers on your website are clickable on mobile devices. It just makes for a better user experience. Number 13, you have got to have a great careers page. Nearly every shop owner I know is looking for a technician or a service advisor, yet when I look at our prospects' current websites, they almost never have a careers page, and if they do, it doesn't have the information that it should have on it. A great careers page should be centered around the person applying for the job. It should show them and tell them why they would want to work at your shop. I have a detailed article on our blog about building the perfect careers page. Number 14, ADA compliance will make your website easy to read and interact with for the millions of Americans who have disabilities that could make this a difficult or impossible task otherwise. It could also save you the cost and headache of a Title III compliance lawsuit, which you do not want. There are more than just these things that I look for when evaluating an auto repair shop website, but these are some of the most important. If you need a great website for your auto repair shop, that's just one of the things we do here at Shop Marketing Pros. To get started, go to our website at shopmarketingpros.com and schedule a discovery call.